Hey everyone, I just wanted to let you know I did do my Big Brother 17 video. The application is sent in and the video is deleted off YouTube. I uploaded it because at first I thought that I had to submit it, but then I realized I didn't. And I have a lot of game strategy on there that I don't want people stealing, so I did delete it off YouTube. And the other reason was because I have a lot of personal information about my life and I'm not ready for a stalker yet. I have to wait to get on the show for that. So it is deleted off YouTube, but if I get aired on the show, then you will probably see everything that I said. I can't really do anything now except for wait. I'm not going to know anything probably until after January about Big Brother, and after that I probably won't be able to talk about it for a while. So if I do get on the show, then you will just have to wait till June to see it, because I know that I'm going to have to sign a waiver. Until then, just keep me in your prayers, cross your fingers, and keep using the hashtag BB17Raven. Still try to get them to pay attention to me. And let's just hope for the best, I guess, because it's what I want more than anything in the whole world, and if I got on Big Brother, then that would just be a dream come true. So if you're out there and you're watching this, please help me out. I'm still here waiting, and if I don't make it this year, then I will apply every single year until I get it. So just put me on it now so you can get rid of me, right? Okay, so along with that, I wanted to say thank you to everyone who has already been supporting me and been trying to get me some fans, and to all the fan pages for previous Big Brother members who have encouraged me and said that they really want me to be on the show, because that means a lot, knowing that there are fans of Big Brother that are looking at me and they're like, hey, we want you. And so I'm really grateful for that, and I just wanted to say thank you all, and I just can't wait to see if it happens. So just thank you. Bye.